Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can change the font size for your texts and text boxes on Squarespace, for example, for your websites and pages. So let us get started right away. So head over to your page of your website on Squarespace. Let me go with this one here. Access the editing tool, of course. And there are two ways how you can change or increase or decrease the font size of your text boxes or text. So option number one, guys, click into the given text element, like that text box here, for example. Highlight the given text. And here at the top, you will see that menu with these tabs. And here, guys, for example, you can change the text box type or section type, like heading 1, heading 2, paragraph, and so on and so forth. That is going to change the font size automatically. Alternatively, you may also click into this button here, scale text. And there you go, for example, switch from one font size to another one. However, guys, that's not very accurate and not too customizable, so that's only option number one. Option number two would be to access the Site Styles menu. You will find it in the top right corner of the given page you're currently at. Here in the top right corner with that icon here. So click into it. And after that, guys, click into fonts here, of course. And after that, you may select, for example, a font from that menu or click into Customize here. And after that, you can change the base size for each text section, like, for example, heading 1, heading 2, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is click into that plus or a minus button here. And that way, adjust and customize your font size, as you can see. You can choose, for example, a different font pack from here, like sans serif or serif. And yeah, keep playing around with that. You can do that also for paragraphs here to the right. And adjust, for example, the line height, the letter spacing, and the size for paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and so on and so forth. So if I, for example, change the size, well, let me just switch really quickly from heading 1 to paragraph 1 to show you how it would look like. Again, access Site Styles, click into Fonts, Customize, and then select Paragraphs here. And which one did we choose? Paragraph 1. So adjust the font size here for paragraph 1. And there you go. As you can see, if you move that slider to the right or to the left, you may set your custom font size for paragraph 1 and for paragraph 2. Or as previously mentioned, guys, for heading as well. Here, for example, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.